My name is David. I'm going to teach you how to do title cards or text transitions using CapCut Desktop. If you just saw the word teach fly by my head, that is one of the text transitions I will teach you how to do. Hey, wait a second. Was that the word dweeb? Was that the word nerd? Obviously, in a real video, you would not use that level of frequency with respect to your title cards. I used these in a recent video of mine for my travel channel where every chapter used a text transition in order to show the chapter name. Let me teach you how to do it. Start with a new CapCut project. We are only going to use this project for creating title cards. It is not going to be the CapCut project we use for managing our video. CapCut on the left side, under Import, navigate down to Stock Material. Enter the word black. Why black? Because I want to select a black background. I'm wearing a white shirt in the earlier part of this video, so black is a better background. Select a video that is 16 by 9 and drag it onto your timeline. Once we've dragged the black video down onto our timeline, look at the video in the previewer and verify that it is 16 by 9. If you're a TikToker, verify that your video is 9 by 16. Click on the hamburger menu of the preview pane and select Extract Still Frame. Save a PNG. We are going to call this PNG black 16 by 9, and it will be the base PNG used for our title cards. You can now delete the black video from the timeline. We don't need it anymore. Drag the black 16 by 9 PNG onto your timeline. I'm going to snip the size of this down to 1 second. I align the cursor on 1 second, and I'm going to hit the W key, which will do a cut right. I'm then going to click on text in the upper left and drag text down on top of the title card. I will snip using the W key so that the text is also 1 second in duration. I changed the text from default text to love because that's the word that's going to appear on the title card. I now need to set the font. I left myself a little reminder that my favorite font is Core Sans, except it stopped downloading from CapCut yesterday. I've had to fall back on using Roboto as the font, but I do prefer Core Sans once CapCut fixes their issue. I will select a font by searching on the word Roboto and select a Roboto font. This will let me make the word love take up as much as the title card as possible. I will use boldface, I will capitalize the word love, and I will enlarge the size of the font until it fills up the entire title card. Once love has filled up the entire title card, I will select a color and I will use the color 008000, which is a version of green. I don't select colors manually because I'm colorblind, so I use hex numbers instead of selecting colors. Now I need a second title card. I will select the text and the black background. I'll make a copy so I can have a title card called The End. I will do the same thing for the end. I will just simply make the end as large as possible. The color is already set to the correct version of green because it is a copy of the love title card. Now I can use the hamburger menu of preview in order to export a still frame of the love title card and a still frame of the end title card. The CapCut project you see is pre-filled with my A roll. I'm going to drag the love title card down onto the project. There's already a marker where I want to put it, and I'm going to snip the love title card to be 2 seconds. I'm then going to drag down the end title card, measure it against the love title card, and snip the end to be 2 seconds. I have two other images of interest. One is of a British flag with the white replaced with green. I'm going to place the British flag on my video, and I'm also going to place the silhouette of a sailboat. So I'm going to show images being used in the same manner as the title cards. The final piece of B-roll is a woman sitting on a park bench. To finalize our B-roll, select the love title card, and from the upper right, select animation. For the in animation, select zoom in. For the out animation, select zoom in. Also for the love title card, Select under Video the Remove BG tab. Then navigate down to the Chrome key checkbox and click on the Chrome key checkbox. Then touch the word Love. This will assign the green 008000 as the Chrome key, which will be the removed background. Set the intensity to 100 and set the shadow to 65. We're now going to copy the attributes from the Love title card to the End title card. Select the Love title card, and on a Mac, it's Command-Shift-C to copy the attributes. On a PC, it's Control-Shift-C to copy the attributes. Select the N title card, and it's Command-Shift-V as in Victor to paste the attributes to the title card, and it is Control-Shift-V on a PC to paste the attributes. The attributes that we want for the End title card are the Chrome key and the animation in and animation out. Uncheck all other attributes. Repeat the process for the other 3 pieces of B-roll, except when a Command-Shift-V or Control-Shift-V is done, only select the animation in and animation out. So that applies to the woman on the bench, the English flag, and the sailboat. We are almost done. For the flag, which has a green background, it is not the same color green as the title cards. The Chrome key has to be set manually. The sailboat is a different color green also, so set the Chrome key manually. Why are they different color green? Because I used ChatGPT to generate those 2 images. Once the final 2 Chrome keys are in place, we can run the video. I fell in love with a woman I met in the park. She left me for a guy from the UK. They left in his sailboat.